What are 9 reasons to start a print-on-demand company? I wanted to make this quick, fun video to help anyone who may be on the fence about starting a print-on-demand company, or someone who just doesn't know whether or not to continue their current print-on-demand company. So without further ado, here are the 9 reasons. Reason number 1 is it's fun. Right? It's not a very brain-taxing task to create designs and put them on t-shirts or mugs or stickers or whatever. So the act of actually drawing some designs and coming up with ideas is a lot of fun, and it's not too stressful. Plus, being able to put your designs that have come from your brain onto t-shirts or whatever product you want to sell on and sell them, that's really exciting, and people are going to be wearing your designs. That's really, really cool. Number 2, you don't need to be a graphic designer for this to work. In fact, most of the designs that are so popular are just simple words on a black t-shirt, words on a white t-shirt or whatever. And literally, there is absolutely zero design skill there. And if you have a look at these that I've popped up on the screen, you'll see all of these are making a serious amount of money, and there's barely any design knowledge there. So don't worry about becoming a graphical artist if you want to sell work. Yes, it can help, sell unique pieces of artwork that no one else is doing. That is true, but you can very, very much still have a successful business if you're just selling simple text-based designs. Number 3, there are no prerequisites for an education. You don't need to have GCSEs, A-levels, SATs, a college degree or a university degree to make this work. You could literally have zero higher or lower education, and this could still work absolutely perfectly for you. Number 4, it has the potential to be really, really lucrative. If you have one successful design, all you need to do is scale that design, create similar designs around that niche, because you'll have an audience coming to you for that specific design. And really, there is absolutely no cap on how much one can make with a print-on-demand business. 1,000, 2,000, 3,000, 4,000. There is no cap, because the more t-shirts you do, the more that becomes successful, the more chances you have of making more money. Now, that's without saying that the majority of people doing print-on-demand aren't making any money, and that's the hard fact. However, the few that are, they're doing quite well. Number 5, if this is the only thing you are doing, then you have full control of your time. You have no one to listen to. You just do what you want to do. And if I just take a little snippet out of this book I'm reading, The Psychology of Money, there's a really interesting paragraph here. Paragraph 7 on freedom, right? It says the highest form of wealth is the ability to wake up every morning and say, I can do whatever I want today, right? People become wealthier to make them happy. Happiness is a complicated subject because everyone's different, right? The ability to do what you want, when you want, with who you want, for as long as you want is priceless. So I just thought that's really, really interesting, and it made me think that someone who is doing print on demand, right, who is solely focusing on print on demand and doing well with it, you're in total control of your life. You can take a couple of days off, you can go traveling and still create your designs, you can spend time with your family, or whatever you want to do, and I think that in itself is priceless. Number 6, there is zero worry of having inventory or storage costs. Because it's print on demand, the company handles pretty much everything from printing the t-shirt to packaging to sending out to the customer. All you really have to do is come up with a design and upload it to whatever website, whether it's Redbubble, Amazon, Teespring, whatever it may be. Sometimes you have to try and get the traffic to your website and actually get sales, but when it comes to having to lay out money for 1,000 items of whatever from China or something, you don't have to worry about that. And when it comes to having to find warehouses to store thousands and thousands of products, again, you don't have to worry about that. Number 7, and this is my personal favorite, there is no age limit to this type of business. You can be 11 and you can still create a print-on-demand business. You can be 70 and you can still create a print-on-demand business. There is literally no requirements, as I said in a previous one, but there's also no age limit. Right? The only thing you may have to consider is having a bank account, or at least using a parent's bank account, but other than that, really, there's nothing you have to worry about. If you're going to connect through PayPal and you're not allowed a PayPal account, then just use one of your parents' PayPal's account and it will still work absolutely fine. Number 8, and this comes straight from number 7 as well, is you don't really need any money, and this is why it works for any age as well. With print on demand, you literally do not need a single penny to get started. Now, take this with a pinch of salt, because a lot of the time people want to use Canva, which can cost, or Photoshop or Vexels or Placeit or Merchinform or any of the tools that are available online, which can slowly add up and cost. However, it is very, very possible for you to create simple text-based designs using the free version of Canva, download them, get rid of the background, upload those text-based designs onto t-shirts, and still make sales without spending a penny. So I know a lot of people like to spend money, and I'm one of those people. I have a whole bunch of different tools that I absolutely love, but it's not a necessity, right? It's not compulsory to have to pay for these tools. And number 9, this is a really good one. There is a wealth of information already out there for you, free information. So you don't have to worry about taking someone's course or going and taking a degree in print on demand, right? There is a wealth of information on YouTube, on blog posts, on the actual websites like Redbubble and Amazon. They all have a whole bunch of different information, right? There is so much information already available to you. You can learn everything you need to know. You can learn everything you need to know just from watching a few different YouTubers. And the best part is it's all free. So if someone is offering you a course, maybe think twice and just think, maybe I don't need this course. Maybe I can learn this information for free somewhere. And chances are you can. Now, those were the 9 reasons to start a print-on-demand company. I've also got 9 reasons why you shouldn't start a print-on-demand company. And if you want to see that video, let me know in the comments, because this video was the optimistic look at the future and print on demand and life and everything. However, the pessimistic video is a very good one, and it's an informative one because there are a lot of reasons why you shouldn't start print on demand as well. So like I said, let me know in the comments if that's something you want to see. I hope you liked this video. I just want to say a massive thank you for watching. If you haven't already subscribed, please smash that subscribe button. I am so flipping close to 50,000 subscribers, and I just know you'll be able to help me get there. So thank you very much, and hopefully I'll see you in the next video.